Good morning, YouTube RC enthusiasts. I have this Nissan Skyline body, and yesterday I took it apart. Well, I took it apart, just took the rear bumper off and the grille plastic that goes on the inside on there, and I dremelled out, I drilled out and filed out where this piece of hobby mesh comes into here, and the reflectors still have to dremel out the plastic parts there, but you'll be seeing that in another video. I've got the rear bumper sorted out here. I've got that all drilled out and filed out, and I'm going to cut these to size, and they're going to come into here, and then cut this part up to here, drill a hole in the middle, stick it on the back here. You get a nice shot, something like that. LED light is going to go into there, and if you've seen my other videos on my Nissan Skylines, that's how I build these, and with the rear as well, but I'm going to be making a video about that. I drilled out the sides for the side indicators. Here's the box for the parts, the front headlights, the rear lights, and this part here, you see the stickers on there for in here, but that's going to be all dremelled out and also pulled in. It's going to be the same process as I'm doing here, but I'll make a video about that. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. Alrighties then. Well, I got the rear bumper done. So it's not that difficult to make. So yeah. Oh well. Anyways, let's get on to the next lot. Gonna sort out this side. Alrighties. See ya. Well, got the side indicators done. Just took some orange reflector and then drilled a hole into the piece of the plastic, and then now I've got to do the front. So I'm gonna get busy with it. Alrighties, see you later. Hey, well, I'm gonna dremel out the sides here, and these parts, all the fake grills. Already done the air intakes here, the indicators. So now let's get on to getting all of this out. Already done this one. Put in the reflectors, piece of Perpex plastic for the LED lights. Now let's get dremeling. Well, I've dremelled out, as you can see, the sides, the front. I'm going to put hobby mesh in the back here, and then make another video on that one. Alrighties, see you in the next video. Well, I've got the grill mesh into here. Now this one is all done. Just have to put in some Perpex plastic for make a light bucket here for the indicators, and now to dremel this out. I've got the brake light sorted out, or the brake light. I just have to make some reflectors build them into here, cut them into shape, also in the middle here for the indicators, and then when that's done, making the little video. Well, see you in the next episode. Well, here's a little episode of what I'm doing here. What I did is drilled a hole in here onto the top side of the exhaust and put a LED light into there. That's hot glued into place, and then this is going to connect to the light unit system, and I'm going to have to choose a light for it to connect to, and then I'm sure it'll all work out. But once it's all lit up and once it's all done, gonna get it, make a nice video of the end product. And now I'm going to put some hobby mesh into the front bumper here. Okay, see you in the next episode. Well, here's another episode of what I'm doing. Putting the plexiglass in there for the light buckets over here. Had to hot glue them into place, and now I'm going to be busy with the rear lights. Just use reflectors from an old bicycle and just cut it down, put some tape onto there, put this over, draw it over, and then just got to get this into shape. And then for the reflection in, or the indicator into here, I have to draw that out, drill a hole, make it out of this, and then I have to put it into there, and then I'll see the end result in a bit. See you in the next episode. Alrighties, bye. Well, I got it cut out and drilled, so all I need to do now is just cut these into size and then fit them neatly into here. I make the tolerances so that I don't need to glue it in, so I just need to, then it fits nice and snug. Well, let me get onto this, and then the next video you'll see that these will be mounted, and obviously this is for the LED lights to go onto there for the indicators. See you in the next episode. What I do is I take a piece of tape, stick it onto here, and then put this on here, and then just with a pen just draw the circle on it, and then cut on next to it, and then file around it, so at least you don't file. You need to file above the line, not under it, so it fits nice and snug into the hole. Well, let's get cutting, and the next video you'll see, just to compare, I'll got this one finished. Okay, see you in the next episode. Well, here we go. So at least this one is done. Off to that one. Just what I need to do is just put it over here, draw it out, cut it into size, and then file it down, and then this is the end result. See if I can get a nice one. Yep, there we go. Well, on to the next episode. See you later. Bye. Well, I got it all sorted out. Got everything glued in, and hopefully it'll all, I'm sure it'll all fit nicely, but anyways, I've got it all sorted out. There's the chassis. Well, next is to install the lights, get everything sorted out, and be making another video in that episode. Well, see you next time. Okay, bye. Well, here's another video of my Nissan. Compared to the last video you saw with a monster truck, the body was not mounted, so I got the body all mounted up, and I magnetized it like I explained in the video. To glue these magnets onto here, I made a aluminum plate for here, and I used metal glue for the magnets because apparently hot glue does not stick to aluminum. But anyways, what I did is just had to Dremel out this part here so it fits nicely onto the front body of here because of the shocks and the shock mounts and everything. So it had to fit nicely onto there. And I had a piece of aluminum. I cut it out and I bent it into shape. And as you can see, it's at an angle. Obviously, this side as well to get the height properly for the magnets. So what I had to do is I had to drill holes here and just get it all nicely mounted up and everything. So, and then and it fits very nice. The shocking or the shocks the shock mechanism, it all fits nicely to play. It also, and the rear diffuser, I had to get everything all lined up and everything. So unfortunately the body is a little bit back, but oh well, it has to be like this because of the rear diffuser, and otherwise I had to modify that. And just for that tiny little bit, I thought, well, just keep it this way. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video, and that's when we're going to get in all the lights sorted out. So, well, see you guys in the next video. And when all of that is sorted out, and then the final video will be that is all complete, and I'll make a nice little video of it with the lights all shining and flashing and all that. So, see you in the next episode. Okay, bye. See ya. Another little episode of what I'm doing with my Nissan. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess right now, but obviously it's going to get all sorted out. I have to shorten in all the wires, get them all sorted out. I had to label some, so at least I know where they're going. This is front right for the indicators, and the rest I know where it goes. So yeah, in the next video I'm gonna get everything all nice put together, and I got all the parts here, so I have to put it all together and hot glue the lights into place and whatnot. So the next video it'll be nice and clean and everything will be together. So, and then the video after that is obviously going to be the finished product, going to mount it onto the chassis and put the lights on, and then flashy mode and whatnot. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Alright, see ya, bye. Just a quick RC top tip: when you buy light units, they usually have just shrinking tubes over the plus and the minus, and if you're gonna, like I'm doing now, I have to shorten the wires, because otherwise there's going to be a whole bunch of mesh here in the middle. So I'm just shortening everything in. And if you cut off the ends just to connect it again, well, just put this size shrinking tube on there, slide it onto here, so at least they're a bit more yeah, it's a bit more stronger. Well, there's a top RC tip for you if you yeah, I've got everything all sorted out. It's nice and neat. All the cables are out of the way, so at least it doesn't interfere with the wheels or the shocks or anything else. So anyways, let's get the body mounted and then put on the lights, and then put on a little bit of a display show for you guys, and see what's up. Oh, here it is, all nice and lit up. Left, right, and then even I connected the red rear light and the brakes, so into the exhaust, so when I brake then it lights up a little bit. And unfortunately this one isn't too bright, but oh well. doesn't look too bad. And then obviously on the sides as well, and the front, the other side. Need to put some oil into my motor. Thing is that with motors, if they make that noise, just take it apart, put a small little bit of what do they call? I use contact oil. Just put it into the motor. It has to do with the motor. There's nothing wrong with the electronics or anything. So just the motor is a bit dried out, and this one is also a waterproof motor. So obviously, well, waterproof. And on the sides as well, put blue lights. So there's all three of the light buckets are filled. There you can see the blue nicely. I'm very chuffed with it, so that's how it has turned out. And yeah. Well, next video you'll be seeing this thing. I'll most probably on the back of a trailer. I'm going to see if I can make a trailer or something, and for some of my RCs, and drive this thing around. And so, well, thanks for watching. And here's the flashy mode. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video, and I reckon the next video that I'm going to be making is going to be a trail video, and I'm going to buy another one of these, but unfortunately there's no, it's only the car, so there's no battery or receiver for it. Oh, sorry, a radar control for it. So, and I'm going to most probably make it into a display model, and then also going to make videos about oh, excuse me, I've got the hiccup a bit, and I'm going to make a video about that one as well. So keep you guys updated, and well, thank you very, very much for watching. I'm done with projects for the meantime, and I'm gonna go focus on my trail videos. And I've said that a few times in my other videos, but now I do want to go and do it now, because I firstly want to get all my projects sorted out and things like that. So one step at a time, I had to do certain things. So, well, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, have fun, and have fun out there on the RC trails. I'm the RC Whisperer. Till next time in the next video. Bye. See ya.